Okay, welcome on this new tutorial on the e-learning platform. I want to take you through simple techniques of creating a table of contents. So I want you to be attentive, you keep following the steps. My name is Mutyaba Daniel as usual. So allow me to take you through these simple techniques of creating a table of contents. Table of contents is examined at A level, that is Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education level, and also for personal consumption. For example, you have some research work. You can as well follow this procedure and can help you come up with a wonderful table of contents. Simple techniques. One, you must learn assigning specific headings or heading styles. Then the other one is formatting the heading styles to the required format. And lastly, generating a table of contents. So after knowing that, we shall have to just go straight forward right away and we generate a table of contents. So of course, to generate it, you must have a document. You must have your own document. For example, I have one, as you can see this. Now I want to use this very one to help us generate a table of contents. Of course, table of contents, it is that section that gives a summary about whatever that has been talked about in the document. So that section, so a table of contents. So for you to come up with a table of contents, you very easy. You first of all, you click on home. As I've told you that number one, you must assign what we call the headings. Okay, so we want us to assign the headings. For example, let us follow this question here. We have a question here. Now, number one, copy a file saved as COVID and onto the desktop. That one is done already. This is the one that we have. Then number two, create a folder with your name and save with your name and indexed number. Okay, so you come and create a folder with your name. You create a folder with your name. For example, this is my folder. Okay, then you open it. You give it a number. If you're a student, give it a number. Then if you open, we already have our document here, which is this. You can as well save it as. So you save it as, then it is on a desktop, right? So we come and select desktop, and what we need from desktop is a folder with our name, that is Mutyaba, and then you open, it is already inside. Now we start assigning the section breaks. Of course, we are following the question. Change the font style for all your work to Arial narrow font 12. So come and you change. So you highlight the entire document, Ctrl A, press Ctrl and letter A, and then we are changing it to Arial narrow. Arial narrow. Here we are. Then font 12. There we are. Then you continue as a student. Go ahead and look at another question. Page break from the following headings. 1. How does the COVID-19 spread? What are the symptoms? So we are going to keep on looking at tracing for these subtopics, or topics or headings, and we carry out what we call section breaks in our document. So you come back. Now, to some of you who are not students, Now this is the most important part. You carry out what we call section breaks. Okay, so now for example, we say now this is going to the heading. Let us search. Number one was, how does COVID-19 as a virus spread? So we break it. You click on layout, come to breaks, then you come to section or next break, next page, that is creating a section break. That's why you see here section breaks. So you click on it, then you scroll. What are the symptoms? We want this one also to be on a separate page. So you click at the beginning, you come breaks, and then come to next page. Then you look for another one. How can I protect myself and others from COVID-19? So you come, that one is also needed to be on another page, that is creating a section break or section breaks. Okay, so now you keep looking for every topic that you want in your document, and every topic you make sure it begins on a separate page. So you come section break. We are looking for another one. Do's and don'ts. Select breaks, and then come to section breaks, next page. There we are. So now in your document, it means now you're done with creating the headings. If at all you have subheadings, it is okay. So now, after now breaking every topic to be starting from a separate page, then now let us look at our question. Okay, so here up here we are done. Assign headings and assign them heading 1. So this for personal consumption. Okay, so this you are all to give every heading 1. So you highlight. Okay, so come to home, then we have headings as you can see here. Okay, headings. So if you come and select one, as you can see it, then you come to another one, this, but if you select headings, they come with their own formats, which you may not need. You may want to maintain the same formats. Okay, what you do, if you want to maintain the same formats, select it. Before you click on it, before you click on heading 1, you first right click and select update. It will update this to have the same format like your heading. So now you click on it, you see now it is active. So next one, you don't need to repeat it, you just click in it, select it, and then select heading 1. So you keep doing that until you finish up in the entire document. So you keep selecting heading 1. So keep selecting. Then this, I think this is the last one, heading 1. There, you're done. Assigning them headings, it is the main key point. You should not miss out. So now what you do, you go back. Let us look at our instruction in case we are students. Change all the subheadings in the document to heading 2. So heading 2, add just the font size to heading, to size to 12, and face area narrow. So now we select, you go back to your document, come to headings. Okay, so every subheading, maybe you want this to be subheading. So now a subheading is given heading 2. Let us update. Selected. So subheading is given heading 2. If you have another subheading, heading 3, another subheading, heading 4, like that. Then you look for another one within this. So if you have another subheading, select. Now this is heading 2, regardless of the topic or regardless of the subtopic. So you select heading 2 this time round. What should I do if my child has symptoms of COVID-19? Select. Then you keep selecting all the subheadings such that you have a summary of every subtopic and topic within your document in a table of contents for easy retrieval. So you select, there we are. Okay, there we are done. So now the next thing is very simple. Go back, page break, the first page of the document to be blank. So I come back to this of the first document, for example this, I page break, click on it at the start, come to insert, you now page break. The other one was section breaks, now this one page breaking. So once you page break, it means now you're creating this one to be blank. There you can come and type the name, table of contents. But let us first look at the question, what the question is requiring us to do. Next. Okay, on the first page, type the title, table of contents. On this page, insert table of contents for your work. It should have the ability to update automatically. Now, if you use this approach, it means your table of contents will be in position to update automatically. So now we are now typing table of contents. Enter. Then now we are generating our table of contents. We can center line this. Center line. Now let us generate our table of contents. Click to reference. Click on our mailings. We are clicking on references. Come to table of contents. Once you come to table of contents, we come and select. There is contents. There is the automatic. Yeah, if they have told us the table should update automatically, you come to automatic table of contents. Just click on it. As soon as you click on it, you find that our table is on table page 2. Okay, what it to be here? We want us to have it on page 1. Okay, so this is what we have. Table of contents. So you click on it and you can now center align this. Now this is our table of contents. What if you come and make some changes? For example, let us first insert the page number so that we get to know the pages. Let me insert at the bottom. Okay, for example, now here we happen to change. This one is on page 4. If I happen to change, I add more content. Maybe I add more content and now it is on page 5. Okay, how about in our table of contents? It is on page 2. Okay, now here you check. Once you check, it is still on page 3. So now what you do, in case you have made some changes, come and click on update table. So once you click on update table, update page numbers only, entire table. If you say entire table, here we are, select it. There you will see that it has updated it to page 5. It was pushed to page 5, so it has updated it. So now this is how we create the table of contents. Even when I come here and I page break this or I section break this. Okay, so I can come next page. It means now this one is on page 3. So So I can come here, I just come to this, click update page numbers only, page 3. So it changes it to page 3. It was page 2 as you can see. Once I clicked on this, it changes page 3. So that is how we can create a table of contents. Then you save your work and then you're done. So that is how you can insert a table of contents. Thank you so much for listening. Please keep subscribing on YouTube. More videos are still coming, and I believe that you will keep learning skills slow but sure. Thank you for listening.